of somebody else's lack of time management skills. I was in a show, let me see, oh sweet, yeah, I was in a show in Rock Springs, Wyoming. And it was the first time they'd ever done stand-up here. And I was the first comic. There was one comic that's going to go first, that's going to be me, I'm going to do 30. The next comic's going to go up, they're going to do an hour. And the drive was 120 miles from Salt Lake to Rock Springs. And the comic was notorious, the other guy I was working with, he was notorious for being late. And it's snowing, so one, he's not going to make it on time. I already conceived this, you know, in my head. So he's not going to make it on time, and he's going to be late. And he's going to, you know, he has the potential to really create a disaster here. The difficulty for me is, I'm just there to do 30 minutes. I just want to do 30, I do my 30 minutes and walk and leave and get paid, move on with my life. And unfortunately, I have to deal with his mess. Because immediately what happens is, before I even start my set, the owner of the club comes up to me and he goes, Mr. Gibson, here's what you got to understand. It's Scott Bennett, he's not going to make it on time. And I don't know how much time, or how much extra time he's going to need, but you got to keep going. You've got to improvise. Improvise? I got 30 minutes. I got 30 minutes and I hope the stage breaks so I can make fun of it for another 5 minutes. What do you mean 30? Like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about, do extra time? Oh, I was up there, I was begging and I was stretching and but because in that moment I was prepared, which is something that I try to teach my students. Always be prepared. Always think about what could happen, what will happen. Always be prepared. Because I was prepared, I was able to get through it.